Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can restore your old YouTube layout on your PC or laptop in your Chrome browser. So for that, just open your Chrome browser and search for Chrome Web Store. Just search this and open this Chrome Web Store. When you open this, just go to extensions. Now in search option, just search YouTube Redux and search this. When you search this, just open this YouTube Redux and click on add to Chrome. Now simply click add extension. This extension will be installed in your Chrome browser. Now just after when it's installed, just go to new tab and search for YouTube and search this. When you search this, click on YouTube home. Then your old layout has, you can see your old layout has been restored. In case if your old layout not restored, just click on this refresh option, and after refreshing you will see your old YouTube layout will be restored. You can see this. So this is the old YouTube layout. So this is the way you can change your layout to old one.